Venture Food Trucks is the place to come when you want your customized food truck. Visit our website at www.venturefoodtrucks.com or give us a call at 1-855-405-2324. This beautiful red unit here has been painted. It was beige. You wouldn't recognize it as the same container before it went to the paint shop. Beautiful large service window with counter. Awesome. Made by Venture Food Trucks. 1-855-405-2324. Give us a call today or visit us at www.venturefoodtrucks.com and fill out a quotation request.